Hi, today I'm going to be transcribing the next melody in the next part of the track in Castlevania Dawn of Sorrow, Pitch Black Intrusion, except I'm actually going to explain it this time. In the last video I didn't really explain it, I just kind of went for it, and I actually want to teach how I would listen to transcribe the melody. So first thing I want to say is I'm writing this in a trumpet in B flat, and that's a transposing instrument. This is a transposing instrument. I'm not going to go too in detail about it, but I will say whatever is written in here, the sound will be a tone lower. For example, we have C natural. This is what we wrote, C natural, but the actual sound is B flat. Dun, dun. So just keep that in mind. Whenever we write something up here, the actual sound will be a tone lower. So the first thing I want to do is find the first note of the melody, of course. And a way I like to do this is to have the tonic first and then compare it with the note of the melody, so it's easy to find what it is. So we're in the key of A minor, so we're gonna write A, go down, and let's listen to the melody. Dun, dun, dun. Yep, so this is a perfect fourth. You can delete this and start writing in the trumpet. See, I write E. It says this note is E, but it's actually D in here. Just getting that out of the way so you understand. So, listen to the melody. Dun, 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 dun. What I hear is the first three notes of the D minor scale. Dun, dun, dun. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted. Dun, dun. Then it went down like that, and then went down a bit. No. There we go. This was long, I think. This is a longer note. Yeah, that was a longer note. There we go. Yeah, now we already have the first two bars. Okay, so the next two bars, well, the first bar, it has the same rhythm, so we can just copy this, but it's down a little bit, so let me fix that. Good. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, except this is A minor going up. Yep, exactly. So this note is the same. I believe that we can copy the first part over here. There. Bring it up a bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is just a C major chord going down and up a bit. So it goes down a bit. Longer. And that note is a bit longer. And that's the melody. Let's see what we have. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, that's good. Now we can layer it with, because I hear a layer of it. It's another trumpet, but an octave lower. So there we go. Good. That's all I'm going to do, but now I'm going to explain more. Since I'm not actually doing it, it'll be easier. So I found the notes relative to the tonic. Then I heard this going up the D minor scale. Went down a bit, down a bit. This is the same rhythm as this one, it's just a tone lower. Then I heard this going up a C, no, I mean A minor chord. There's the same note, then the same pattern went up A minor scale. Then it goes down to C major chord. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, so it might not be the best explanation, but it's an explanation. In the last video I didn't really explain what I was doing, and now you have more of an idea of what I'm doing. I'm still nervous explaining what I'm doing exactly, but I'll get used to it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about how you can hear melodies and transcribe them. Thank you for watching.